Have you ever stopped and wondered how our Earth came into existence? It's a question that has left us all scratching our heads at some point, isn't it? We're talking about an event that happened over 4.5 billion years ago. So, let's embark on a journey back in time to a universe that was still young, brimming with potential and cosmic dust. Buckle up, because our story begins in a time so far back, it's almost impossible to comprehend. About 4.6 billion years ago, our universe was in the middle of a cosmic dance. Imagine a grand ballroom, filled with particles of dust and gas swirling around in a nebulous cloud. This was the setting of the nebular hypothesis, a theory that explains how our Earth was born. In this cosmic dance, the particles were not merely spectators. They were active participants, drawn together by the force of gravity. As these particles spiraled closer and closer, they began to collide and stick together. This process, known as accretion, was the first step in the formation of our home planet. As these particles continued their dance, they formed larger and larger clumps, growing from mere specks of dust to pebble-sized objects, then to boulders and finally to planet-sized bodies. This process was not a quick one, taking millions of years to complete. Yet throughout this time, gravity remained the constant partner in this dance, shaping and sculpting the Earth as we know it today. But the dance did not end there. As the Earth grew larger, its gravity became stronger, pulling in more dust and gas. This process heated up the Earth, causing it to glow and eventually form a solid crust. Thus, from a mere speck of cosmic dust, our world began to take form. It's a cosmic dance that continues to this day, as our Earth continues to evolve and change under the guiding hand of gravity. But how did this lifeless rock become the vibrant, teeming world we know today? Well, it took a while, a couple of billion years to be precise. During this time, Earth was undergoing a makeover. The planet gradually cooled and its crust solidified, forming the continents and ocean basins. Volcanic eruptions released gases, creating an atmosphere. This new shell of air, although inhospitable by today's standards, was a crucial step towards a livable world. And then, water. Comets, icy celestial travelers, bombarded our planet, delivering water and other essential elements. Over time, these ingredients brewed into the world's first oceans. But what about life, you ask? Enter the theory of abiogenesis. This suggests that life began from non-living matter, like simple organic compounds. In these primordial seas, the first simple life forms, tiny microorganisms, emerged. They thrived, evolved, and multiplied. Life, in its simplest form, had established a foothold on this once barren world. So, we've journeyed from a cloud of cosmic dust to a world teeming with life. Let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible story of our planet's creation. It all began with a celestial waltz, a cosmic dance of particles and energy, swirling and coalescing to form our solar system, and at the heart of it, our Earth. This was no mere chance, but the result of physical laws and cosmic principles playing out on an unimaginably grand scale. Then came the birth of life, a miracle in its own right, springing forth from the rich, primordial soup of our young planet. It's a testament to the astounding complexity and resilience of life, and it all started right here on Earth. These scientific theories paint a vivid picture of our world's origin, helping us appreciate the beauty, complexity, and richness of our home planet. So next time you gaze upon the world around you, remember the grand cosmic dance that brought it all into being. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Craving more? Hit subscribe and journey with us through the realm of learning. Remember, every thumbs up and every subscription fuels our passion to deliver more. Become part of our learning community today.